Welcome again. It has been, for some time. This is our first official video for the year 2021, and I'm so happy that it is a live analysis video. My name is Mohamud, also go by the name Proqnosiz, or you can simply call me Alpha Forex. You are watching Currency Market Execution, your channel with the difference, leaders in forex trading and education. Today we are going to be looking at gold. We're going to be breaking it down. I'm going to be showing you the possible entries that you can take. I'm going to be also explaining to you why I am telling you that that is a possible entry for you and your exit. And yeah, it's been wonderful. I've been on holiday, so I am finally back. I know I've been receiving messages, guys, asking me, yo, when are you coming back? So I am back today. We are starting, and tomorrow our groups will be resuming with signals and all that. But before I waste any more time, let us go right into the charts, and then after I show you the charts, we'll continue more and I'll give you an update on what to expect this year and what we are looking at this year and our direction. But I will try and keep it as short as possible. Let us go into the charts. Let us go.
Hold it down the fake.
Riding around, music loud, swerving with the top down, living life on the right. You only get this once, catch me riding around.
You are still tuned to Currency Market Execution. Welcome back, your channel with the difference, leaders in forex trading and education. Let us go. Since I've explained, we have just been on a wonderful holiday, but I'm not going to bore you with the details. So yes, I have not been trading manually. I've been using the Forex EA robot. I will explain to you towards the end of this recording and what's happening, since tomorrow is the official pre-launch date of the EA. So that's what I've been using to trade, because I've been on holiday, and I'm sure if you follow me on social media, you have seen the results, wonderful results. Okay, we are in gold. We are on a 4-hourly chart. I was just checking out this before I started the recording, so I can just familiarize myself to save you time. Let's just go to a 1-hour time frame and see. Gold has been on a down movement. As you can see here, from the 6th of January, it failed to break this level here. This is on a 1-hourly chart and started dropping with a very strong signs of continuation to go down. We see this zone here. If you've been following this channel, I've taught about this zone. This is a zone of interest. If you can go back even to the last trade that we took, my network has been slow all morning, so please just forgive me. Yes, the last trades that we took here and this side here, this is the analysis that we did, and they went perfectly, and we did this on the channel. That's before we closed. And yes, so this zone has been very, very active, and then we see that the market is going to try the zone. Though if you're looking at a 4-hourly chart, you can, that's why it's important to go through all the time frames, so you can all the time frames, so you can be certain of what you are doing. It gives you like a hammer that is forming. You can see there's like a hammer that is forming, so it gives you the impression that there's going to be a strong bullish movement. Yes, it is possible, but when you go down the time frames, you can see that it's going to test the zone that I've marked here, and we have another important zone here. This is a very important weekly zone. So according to what I see and the analysis that I made, is you just have to wait to see here. It clearly on this part will depend on the type of strategy or the type of trading that you're going to do, whether you're going to go on 1 hour or 4 hourly, because it can go both ways. Now I see the market going to test this zone, and then it seems like it is already going to fail, and then it's going to test. After testing, it's going to drop, and then from there retest again. After that, it will drop. But do not go, if you're going for short trades, when I mean short, I mean like a very quick, shorter time frames, you can you can sell around this region. But when the market open, it's going to open, because a lot of things have been happening in US, and that US is affecting the dollar. So the first 2-3 hours, I would say wait, like what you usually do. wait to see how the market is pricing in everything that's been happening. On Friday we had NFP, and on Saturday we had geopolitics that was going on. So just wait for everything to price. There might also be a gap when the market opens. So the zone, if for me personally, if I were to sell, I would sell after this level is broken. I will show you why. Let me show you why I say that. I will show you why I see two options that will trigger me for a sell. That this zone here, it's a very strong support. So once it's broken, as you can see here on the previous analysis that we did on the channel, and then you can see here also on the previous trade that you took that was profitable also, this has been a strong support. So if you're going to sell around here, you don't know what's going to happen. So rather wait for the zone to be broken, and I will also show you why. Now, wait for the zone to be broken, then you can enter your sell, and then your exit can be around the zone here. But if you also want to use shorter time frames like your 30 minutes, you can also take, because if you see here, we did this in a series. Like I told you guys that the strategies that I shared, that's the strategies that I also use. That's why I'm able to analyze with you, so you can see how I analyze. Though when I do this, sometimes like I'm going fast, because most of the fundamentals of how I get to where I am, I shared it on this channel, which is another good reason for you to subscribe if you did not yet subscribe to this channel. I spoke about this on the series that we just did, which is a rising wedge. You can see there's a rising wedge here, a beautiful rising wedge. Here it is, and it comes nicely on this zone here. Let me just show you. Let me actually go to a 30 minutes time frame so I can show you what I'm talking about. You can see here, and then you can also see here. You see, beautiful. If you missed that, I will share the link in the description. The teaching about forex chart pattern, the whole series, we covered all the chart patterns. We covered how to trade them. We covered how to put entry and stop loss. There's a perfect rising wedge pattern that is forming, but first wait. So like I said, I see this testing here and then failing, then breaking out of this here, which, like I explained, I said the exit zone should be here if you're going for a shorter time frame. But if you're going to go for a longer time frame, you can take the risk here and then wait to place a second trade after this zone. But once this zone is broken, it's going to invalidate this. Remember, I explained also in the forex chart patterns that fundamentals can disturb a pattern. It does happen, but this is a beautiful rising wedge. If you still want to know how to trade a rising wedge, I shared it on this channel. I shared everything on what to look for and how to trade it. It's a beautiful rising wedge. So there is more than 2 or 3 points that will convince us to go for a sell on this, and that will tell us that this pair is most likely going to go down. But we will first have to wait for the first 2 or 3 hours of the market to price in the events that happen on Friday on the weekend, because gold is very sensitive to what is going on. So this is how we look at gold, and this is what we're looking at. This is the pre-market analysis. What I will do, what I always do, is after the market opens, then we do a full-on analysis and then we take our positions, but with the team members. So if you want to be part of the team, the link is in the description. We also have a Telegram group. Let me just actually turn around so I can speak to you and complete. But we do have a Telegram group. You can join. It's free, or you can join any of our paid services, and then you can get even more. If you enjoy or you like what I just shared, please hit that subscribe button. But let me just explain fully what I was talking about more in detail to you. And that is how it is. So like I said, tomorrow I will send another video in the morning after the market reacts, and then we see how the market is reacting and how is the market pricing in what happened during the weekend. And then from there I will give you direct or technical data on the exact entry or exit. That will be in the teams. I usually send the video in the morning. I'll do another one and I will send it for the teams, and then we'll look at other pairs. We'll look at Nasdaq and we'll look at other currency pairs to trade for the day, and we'll look at the direction for the week. And what's been happening is, like like I said, you know, I've been on holiday, but doesn't mean that I have not been trading. I've been using the Forex EA robot, the Profit Machine, our new, you know, very own robot, which is accurate, which is very good. I've sent my trading log or trading histories. I've sent it in the website for you to see how the robot has been, and it has been phenomenal. It, like I said, I've been very excited because this robot I've been using personally, so I just decided to release it for you also to benefit. So I do not benefit alone, you know. So it is wonderful. Tomorrow the 11th, it is the official day for the pre-launch. The robot will be officially released on the 20th of January, but from today until the 20th, it is going for a little price of $121. Okay? Very cheap. But on the 20th, when it launch, it will go to the launch price. So all the details are in the website. I'll also send the link, and maybe you can see it on the screen now. Please make sure you do get that robot. There's already people who have pre-ordered the robot, and some has already started receiving the robot, because I've checked the emails and I've got some response that people have already received, and some it's still processing because the orders still need to be processed. And then as soon as the order is processed, you will receive your EA, and I want to see your results, and then you will be added into the support group, because it's not just me just sending you the robot and it's over. We are still going to be in contact. I still need to see the process. So, and I want to see your trading logs also. I'm positive that it will be on positive profit. So that's what we do. So once you get the robot, we are going to be in contact for as long as your subscription, and we're going to be talking together and then seeing the performance. And I'm sure you will be very happy, because some people are already, you know, a few days and they're already celebrating. Otherwise, that's it. If you want signals, like, or want to be part of the team of what we do, signals, we're still doing it, or you want to check out our courses, they are still available on the website. The link is in the description. It's always wonderful to meet up with you. Tomorrow or a few days, I'm going to make a detailed video about the Forex EA. I'm going to explain it, just give you an introduction, and so that you can be, you know, for those who don't know us, maybe it's the first time you tune into this channel, you're like, who are these guys? So you can see where we come from. But otherwise, if you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, because we always do wonderful stuff related to Forex. Every Sundays we do live market analysis. Tuesdays we do education, as you just seen with our series, our Forex chart pattern series. And on Thursday we do trading, emotional intelligence, or anything psychological to do with Forex. So this is, if you are a Forex trader, if you want to improve, if you are a binary trader, you're a crypto trader, you're a stock market trader, you want to improve in your trading, this is your channel. We are one big happy family. Do join our Telegram group, which is, the link is in the description. It's a free group. We also share materials and still do a free course with us, which is available in the website. So the link is in the description. Just enroll. It's a free course, and you know, we're always giving things for free. So we're giving free courses, we're giving free signals, we're giving free analysis. Why don't you subscribe? Otherwise, check this next video. I believe you need it. My name is Mohamud. I also go by the name Alpha with Forex. You are watching Currency Market Execution, and I will see you in the next video.